contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill that seeks to give citizenship to non-Muslim immigrants facing persecution in the neighboring countries, which is likely to be tabled in Lok Sabha on Monday. Now the Congress come into protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill here on Thursday. To commemorate the 4th birth anniversary of Jubilee Literary Foundation, a workshop on the importance of writing in Karbi and felicitation program was reported to have been organized at Karbi Lametamai office here on Thursday. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Khat News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. The contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill that seeks to give citizenship to non-Muslim immigrants facing persecution in the neighboring countries is likely to be tabled in Lok Sabha on Monday. Now the Congress come into protest against the bill on Monday. Opposing the bill, the Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee hit the streets against the Citizenship Amendment Bill and Uniform Civil Code at Samson Singing Tea Memorial Park here on Thursday. Opposing the bill, the party demand of an immediate withdrawal of the bill. The Congress encouraged a like-minded social organization to oppose the bill collectively. Now the Congress meanwhile requested all the MPs and the members of the respective state legislative assemblies of Northeast region to oppose the said bill. To commemorate the 4th birth anniversary of a literary team, Jubilee Literary Foundation, a workshops on the importance of writing in Karbi and felicitation program was reported to have been organized at Karbi Lametamai office here on Thursday. The program was inaugurated by an eminent writer, Mr. Joy Singh Dogby. Secretary of Karbi Writers, Mr. Khogen Ingti, interpreted the importance of writing in Karbi. President of Karbi Cultural Society, Mr. Chandra Singh Crow, former Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Sujo Rongphar, Chairman of Hills Tribal League Sai Singh Rongpi, and Advocate D.S. Lekte attended the event. Bhupen Hazarika Sammanya Awardee, Mr. Lunse Timung, and Northeast Unsung Heroes Red Carpet Awardee, Mr. Dharam Singh Teron was also felicitated at the event. Alright, so let's slip into a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Don't go anywhere.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. A bullet injured wild elephant was reported to have been rescued and tranquilized in West Division under Rangapaha Forest Range. The injured elephant was rescued by Karbi Anglong conservation volunteers, and the elephant was tranquilized by Dr. Panjit Basumutari here on Thursday. According to the forest ranger, Mr. Dhoni Ranke Rongpi, suspecting the injured elephant come out from Itangi forest of Nagaland. Alright, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Monica Malikpi is bringing you the prime time here on Cut News Channel, so don't go anywhere.